Welcome to my channel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic sleeve. And if you watched my last tutorial, I showed you how to make a basic bodice. It was a very detailed video. Please go and watch it. I'll leave the link in my description box. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic sleeve, and you're going to need your round armhole measurement, your round bicep measurement, the length of your sleeve, and then your round arm measurement where the sleeves end. So I'm folding my paper. I've already cut out the length I wanted. Now I'm cutting out the width that I want. So the width that I want is 8 inches, and this is enough for that. So I'm going to be cutting this out. So after cutting it out, the next thing to do is to get the cap of the sleeves. How you do this is by dividing the armhole measurement by 2 and then further dividing it by 2 again. So if in this case the armhole measurement is 16, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. So I'm going to be applying 4 inches on the pattern paper. I'm going to mark it. And I'm going to draw a straight line across, joining those points I marked. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different colored marker now and draw a line in between the upper part of the sleeve and that 4 inches I marked. This line is just going to act as a guide because I'm going to be curving an aspect and I'm going to be slanting the remaining part of the line I'm going to be drawing. So I'm marking the points, and I'm also going to use a straight line to join the lines. So I'm going to be marking a curve on the upper part of these sleeves, and then towards the armhole, that is towards the armpit area, the lines towards that area is going to be slanted, not so curved. So on the upper part, I'm going to be measuring 2 inches inward, and I'm not going to start the curve from the vertex there. I'm going to be starting the curve from the 2 inches I took inward, and here I'm applying the bicep measurement, which is 13. So I'm going to be marking 13 inches, that is 6.5. So at the length of the sleeves, I'm going to be measuring what I measured round my arm, and it is 11 inches, that is 5.5. I'm going to be joining the 2 points together. Then from the 2 inches I took inward, I'm going to draw a curve to join the blue lines. I'm going to join the curve to join the blue line, and then from the blue line to the red line, it's going to be more of a slanted line. You can see as I'm curving this line, then now I'm slanting the line towards the armhole. So you can see there's a difference. The upper part is curvier, and then the lower part towards the armpit area is slanted. You can see the difference. So if you notice in our previous tutorial, there was a difference between the front bodies and the back bodies. The armhole for both of these were different. The back bodies has a straight armhole, while the front bodies has a curvier armhole. So that has to be applied to the sleeves as well. So I'm going to, you can use 0.25 or half an inch depending on what you use on the basic bodies. So you're going to apply that on that blue line where you stopped curving it and then you change to a slanted line. So you are going to join the line from the 2 inches to the armhole, to the edge of the armhole, that is to the red line. So you can see from that point I joined it to the other point. So that is for the back, that is for the back bodies, and the red lines for the front bodies. So I'm going to be cutting this out, and take note, I'm going to be cutting out the armhole for the back bodies first. Okay, you can see how I've cut out the armhole for the back bodies first. Then now I'm going to be cutting out the armhole for the front bodies. This is after I've separated it so that it wouldn't affect the back bodies. So you can see that the armhole, the sleeves rather, is ready, and then the armhole for the back is different from the armhole from the front, because when we are drafting the basic bodies, the armhole we drew were different, so it has to be applied, that same difference has to be applied on the sleeves. As you can see, the armhole for the front is curvier than the armhole for the back. The armhole of the back is more of a slanted line. So I'm going to be showing you how it will be fixed when if you cut this out on a material. I'm going to be showing you how you have to fix it. So this is how it's supposed to be fixed. The curvier side will go to the front and the straighter side will go to the back. I'm going to label it now with the same colors I used for the basic bodies. Go and watch the basic bodies video so that you understand. So I'm going to be using the colors that I used for the front and for the back bodies. I'm going to be using them for the sleeves as well. So you can see the front bodies, the armhole is curvier, and then the back bodies, the armhole is more of a slanted line. This is how it's supposed to be for a basic bodies. This is how a sleeve is supposed to be. So you can see the curvier line and you can see the straighter line. There is a noticeable difference, and this will show when you sew your clothes. So you can make this sleeve longer to your taste. You can make it shorter, and also do not forget your allowances at the top, half-inch allowance, and then at the side 2-inch allowance or 1.5-inch allowance, then below half-inch allowance or 1 inch depending on what you want, or if you're going to add another design to your sleeves. So this will show when you sew your clothes. So be very mindful and be aware of the difference of the back and front of the sleeves. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment.